It's Sarah from Amaterasu Beauty. In this video, I'll be showing you some tricks using a Plum Eye Pencil. So this is the plum color. It is actually the coolest shade of plum that I could possibly tone it to before it turns blue. I love plum, but I could never wear plum because it was too red and it made my eyes bloodshot. So when time comes, obviously, I try to tone it and it's always too red, too red. Do it again and again. And my labs would say to me, oh no, Sarah, can you please sign off? We can't do it anymore. And I said, yes, you can. Tone it down. So hairdressers out there, you'll know what I'm talking about. Always toning down the reds. Anyhow, so with this color, what I like to do is I line my lower lash there. And because I'm not wearing any eyeliners, this is just mascara, I can also, there you go here, tightline with this pencil. See how it's a bit fuller here versus here? So I'm only twisting it about 1 to 2 mm because it's quite delicate. I'm going to do it slowly here. So you lift, you're gliding on. Now, we're not looking for perfection here. We're just filling in the gaps. There you go. And then, again, if you want to do a bit more, very simple, very quick, no bloodshot eyes, nice plum that I could use every day. And I hope you like it as much as I do too.